Okay guys, in this part I will show you how to work with pages, how to add a new page, how to change content of your pages, and how to add some blocks and manage the settings of your pages. So we will go first in our administration mode to pages section, where we will do all changes on our pages. And you can see right there we have this left column where we have our pages. I will now show website, and you can see that we have our pages also on our website, so you will manage them in this left column of your administration mode. So for example, when I will click on the home page, in the right column we have the content of our pages. So for example, we have this blog show selected categories, which is also on our website. These are the products, and it is the blog show selected categories. Okay, let's start with adding a new page. You will click on a button new page. There you can choose a name for your new page or title for your new page. So for me it will be test page, and a parent page. For me it will be US, because US is like global page and all other pages are under this page. But you can also choose from one of the pages, and then this page will be like sub page of this page which you will choose. Then you can choose some main block. For example, for me it will be text, but you can change this later, or you can remove this block. Then there are some page options. I will change these options later. So let's start with saving this page. And now we have created our new page. It is in the bottom of the hierarchy of these pages, but you can click on this page and you can drag it where you want to have this page. So for example, I want it in the first position, so I will drag it to the first position. Now I will refresh our website, and you can see we have our new page in the first position of our pages. Okay, let's click on our new test page, and you can see that in the right column there is a content of our pages. This content has some boxes. There is a box like header, content, left column, footer column 1 and footer column 2. We have header on our website. There is left column. This is content of our page, and then there is footer column 1 and footer column 2. Okay, you can change content of this page by adding a new blocks. These blocks work like content of your website, and you can easily add a new block just by clicking on this button in the right corner, new block. There are some predefined blocks from BizWebs company, like text, gallery, form, news, and so on and so on. Then there are some advanced blocks like sitemap or polls, and some widgets. And if you have your own HTML code for some block, you can also add your HTML code. So for example, add a new block, content from. I will save it, and you can see it has added a new block to content box. You can click on it and drag it where you want to have it, but I want to have it in my content box. So let's start. These blocks have some specific settings, and different blocks focus on different things. So for example, these blocks show content from works like it shows some content from another page. So for example, I will choose news and I will click save. And we can also manage this text block, so change subtitle, for example test, and then we can add some sample content, some sample text. Okay, I have added some sample text, and you can also choose some image, so for example this Google t-shirt. And every blog has its settings. You can change layout or some scales of images. So I will, for example, change center layout, and I will click save. Now we have added some content to our page, so I will refresh our page. And you can see that this content is right on our page. We have this blog with some text, with some sample text and some image, and you can also change this show content from blog. I will refresh it, and you can see that we have added some content from news page. So it is pretty easy to change the content of your page. It is all about adding some new blogs. I will talk about all blogs in another part, working with blogs. Now we can change options of our page. So you can click on this button, page options, or you can click on the page and you can click there on page options. You can also make some preview of your page, or you can move down or move up in the hierarchy of your pages, or you can also remove page. So I will go to page options now, and there are some options. You can change title of your page, picture of your page, and also you can change its visibility, so you can lock it or you can hide it if you don't want it to have on your website in the current time. And you can also uncheck box searchable on the web. Then there is a pretty important part, and this part is SEO, which is search engine optimization, and it helps your website to be seen in search engines like Google, Yahoo, or Bing. I will talk about SEO later in another part, but I will now fill it with some information. Okay, I have added some information to this SEO part. There is title H1, which is the main title or the first title on the homepage of your website. Then we have URL, some tag title and description. I can show you on Google that this is, for example, tag title of our page. You can see tag title, then we have description, and then we have title H1. For BizWebs, it is create your own online store or an amazing website. It's free. And then we have URL. Okay. Then there is a option to change the position. You can of course change the position in the hierarchy, or you can just click and drag it where you want it. So this is for options. I will click save, and now we have changed options of our page. Okay, then there is another page which is pretty important, and it is a global page. This global page has some global content, and this content is you can see this content in every page of your website. So for example, dynamic banner or poll. I can show it on our website. So for example, we have dynamic banner and poll in all of our pages, and you can easily choose to have some block in all of your pages by clicking on its settings, and there you can check this little box, show block in all pages, and it will show this block in all of your pages, or this content in all of your pages. Okay, so this is all to pages. It is pretty easy. It is all about adding some new page, changing or managing the settings, and adding some new blogs, which or I will talk about these blogs later in another part, and changing the options. So I hope you have understood everything, guys, and see you in the next part.